Hey Windows users, are you tired of Windows Defender getting in the way of your software installations or system tweaks? Well, I'm here to help you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10 so you can regain control of your PC without any interruptions. Now before we dive into the process, let's quickly talk about Windows Defender. It is a built-in security features in Windows 10 designed to protect your PC from malicious threats. Now let's look at the first procedure. You go to the Start menu and then you search for Windows Security. So open Windows Security, and then when you open Windows Security, just click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now when you're on Virus and Threat Protection, just go down here where you see Manage Settings. Now when you click on the Manage Settings, you see the Real-Time Protection. Now it's on. So if you want to turn it off, just slide it back here and automatically you can see our Windows Defender has been turned off. But take note that this will just stop your Windows Defender for some time and it will turn on automatically by itself. Now if you want to turn it off completely or permanently, now let me show you how to do that one. And the second procedure that you can use to turn off your Windows Defender permanently is by using the group edit policy. Now to access it, just go to your Start menu and just search for gpedit.msc. Now when you see the gpedit.msc, so you just click on it here and then it will open your group policy and it will open the local group policy editor. Now when you are on the local group policy editor, we have under the computer configuration, just come to administrative template and now you come to Windows component. Now under Windows component, just scroll down to Microsoft Defender Antivirus. So when you click on the Microsoft Defender Antivirus, then over here you will see turn off Microsoft Defender. Just double click on it. So when you double click on it, over here you just have to put it on enable and then you click on OK. Automatically Windows Defender has been turned off completely. Now if you want to turn it on again, you follow the same procedure and then you go to what? Now if you want to turn it on, you have to double click on it again and then put it on disable and then you click OK. Automatically it will enable it. So that's it. Now before we wrap up, a word of caution. Disabling Windows Defender should only be done with caution and when you have a reliable alternative in place. Security should always be a top priority when using your Windows 10 PC. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of turning off Windows Defender in Windows 10. If you have found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay safe and secure.